Are you trying to sign into iCloud in your iPhone but keep getting errors like verification failed, Apple ID is not activated, or unable to sign in? Whether you are having trouble signing to iCloud, emails not sending, or your data seems stuck, iCloud is the cornerstone of the Apple ecosystem. Well, today we'll show you how to resolve iCloud sign-in issues and guide you step by step to restore your account. Let's get started. First and foremost, check the internet connection, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, then restart your router if needed. Second, check Apple system status. Sometimes Apple's iCloud servers are down. Search Apple system status and check if Apple ID or iCloud is unavailable. Third, restart your iPhone. A simple system refresh fixes many authentication issues. Fourth, update to the latest iOS version. Go to Settings, then hit to General and tap on Software Update menu. If these don't work, then the problem may be related to your Apple ID or activation lock, especially on second-hand devices. If the iCloud sign-in fails because the current Apple ID on the device is invalid, corrupted, or belongs to someone else, you can use any unlock to remove the Apple ID first, even if you forgot the password. To use this option, download any unlock, the best iPhone unlocker tool, and launch it on your computer. Then tap on Unlock Apple ID option. Use a Lightning USB cable to connect your iPhone to the computer and let any unlock detect your device. When your device will be detected, tap on Unlock Now button and you will see the prompt on the screen. Your Apple ID will start to unlock by any unlock within a few minutes. Now you can log into another Apple ID once the unlocking process is completed. In case if you reset the iPhone and now see the activation lock screen, you can't sign in unless you enter the Apple ID previously linked to the device. But what if you don't have the previous Apple ID credentials and you can't contact the owner? Any unlock can help you as well. To remove activation lock without Apple ID, works with most iPhones and iPads, supports up to iOS 16 and easy for beginners. Free download and launch any unlock on your computer. Then connect your iCloud locked iOS device via USB cable. In the pop-up menu, choose Bypass iCloud Activation Lock. Then click on Start Now button to begin. Then hit to Bypass Now feature. Set the device to DFU mode according to the instructions and your device will automatically start jailbreaking. The tool will automatically remove the activation lock in just a few minutes, and now you can not only set up your own Apple ID but also use full phone functionality. This solves the iCloud login problem completely. Well, that's it for today. Now you know all the effective solutions for fixing iCloud sign-in not working. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time. Peace.